Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the etrailer 12-inch by 2-inch left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly for 5,200 pound to 7,000 pound axles. Now this is an electric brake assembly which is easier to install. It offers more user control than hydraulic brakes, and what's nice is it requires only an electric brake controller, which we do sell separately on our website. There's no need for any brake actuator or hydraulic lines. Now it will require a 12-inch diameter brake drum to fit over this assembly. And this is a manual adjustment brake. Periodic manual adjustment is required, but it can be done in minutes. All you have to do is go down to the bottom here where the adjustment wheel is, and then adjust your brakes to fit your application. Now this part here will include a left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly. And when we talk about driver's side and passenger side, the way you can tell them apart, of course, when you get a new assembly, it'll be on the sticker. But if the sticker wasn't on there, what you'll want to do is look at the size of the brake pad on the shoe. This pad goes from here down to here. If you flip this one, it goes all the way from here all the way to here. So this is the longer pad. This one is the shorter pad. The shorter pad is the primary shoe, and the primary shoe, when you install it, will always face the front of the trailer. So that's going to tell you, if you mount it on the axle, face this to the front of the trailer, that's going to tell you that it's a left-hand driver's side brake assembly. Now they do use long-lasting brake pads on this to offer excellent braking torque. They are fully bonded to the shoes for more consistent braking compared to riveted pads. And the edges on the pads are going to be tapered, and that tapered edge helps minimize stuttering and brake lockup. The backing plate that they're attached to, you can see, is nice E-coated finish to resist wear and corrosion. And you'll notice the 5 holes here, which lets you know this is going to fit onto a 5-bolt brake mounting flange bolt pattern. Now the mounting hardware to install this is not included. You would have to supply that. Application, again, this will fit most standard hub and drum assemblies, including Dexter, Lippert, and Alco. A few dimensions on this. When we talk about the dimensions, we're talking about 12-inch diameter, which is measured this side to this side. So you can see there's your 12-inch diameter. And then we mentioned it's by 2 inches wide, and 2 inches is the width of the pad on the shoe. So there's your 2-inch wide pad. Again, the axles these are rated for is 5,200 pounds, 6,000 pound, and 7,000 pound axles. And the wheels that'll fit on this assembly is 14.5 inches up to 16.5 inches. And as we mentioned, these are electric brakes. And electric brakes will have these 2 wires on it that need to be connected. One goes to a ground, one goes to a brake feed for power. And they're both the same color wire, so you can use either wire for either function. But that's going to do it for a look at the etrailer 12-inch by 2-inch left-hand driver's side electric trailer brake assembly for 5,200 pound up to 7,000 pound axles.